In interviews, a question is generally asked to us that what is the difference between contactor and relay? So what all differences are there? Let us understand. Friends, contactor and relay both are electrically operated switch. That is, on providing electrical power supply, we can open and close the contact in this so that power supply can flow further. If you want to make the symbol of this contactor, then you have to make three things. First of all, to turn on and off the contactor, coil terminal which is there, like this one is of coil. You can see the coil terminal in relay also. Like here you can see relay symbol is there and in this there is a coil terminal. So this is similar for both. But in contactor, here you will find power terminals. Like here L1, L2, L3 is written and here T1, T2, T3. These terminals are known as power terminals. Through power terminals, we can flow heavy current through this. Besides in this contactor, you will find auxiliary contact also, that is NONC contact is also there in contactor. But in this relay, you won't find any power terminals. In this, there is only auxiliary contact, that is only NONC contact is there and we use these only. So if we talk about the differences, then first difference is in this contactor there are power terminals and besides auxiliary contact is also there. In relay we only get NONC contact. So like I told you, in this contactor there are power terminals through which we can flow heavy current. So second difference is this only, that we use contactor to flow heavy current. We use relay for low current, like control circuit which is there. In this, mostly half ampere or 1 ampere current flows. So in these types of places, we use relay. If you turn on and off heavy current, then there sparking is generated. So spark which is generated inside contactor, to put out fire, arc shoots are also used. That is, inside contactor, you can see arc shoot also. Relay is used for low current. So inside relay, you won't see any arc shoot. Now what is this arc shoot? Let us understand. Friends, you can see in this picture here, this part is known as arc shoot. Here you can see contact is open. When you close this, then at that time spark is generated. Like here you can see arc runner. From here sparking is generated. So for putting out fire, inside the contactor you will find arc shoot also. Arc shoot looks like this. Apart from contactor, inside MCB also you will find arc shoot. This is a MCB. Inside this here arc shoot is placed. Now after this, difference between these is contactor is large compared to relay. Relay is smaller in size. Now to turn on this contactor, mechanism which is used, this mechanism is heavy compared to relay. So if we provide power supply to contactor, then after providing power supply, contactor will take 20 to 250 milliseconds time to be turned on. It means coil of contactor A1, A2, when you provide power supply, then at least 20 milliseconds time contactor will take to get on. But inside the relay, small mechanism is used and due to this, operating time of relay is from 3 milliseconds to 100 milliseconds. Besides, if you turn on the contactor, then from this you can hear a humming sound. But in this relay, humming sound is very low compared to contactor. After this, next difference is maintenance of contactor is high. But there is no need of any maintenance in this relay. If any kind of problem comes, then what we do is we change this relay. That is, we don't do any maintenance. So contactor requires maintenance and relay requires very less maintenance. Relay don't need maintenance, but I written here less maintenance. After this, if you want to tell more differences, then you can explain that we use contactor for motors, capacitors, etc. And relay is used in control circuits or we can use in electronic circuits. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment on this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.